Hello kids. Let's draw some swimming little fish together. First, take out our black marker. At the top of the paper, draw an oval shape, but make the end slightly pointed. Next, draw a triangle at the back, representing the fish's tail. Then, using the same method, draw more fish shapes on the remaining blank spaces of the paper. The fish can vary in size according to your drawing style. Drawing some fish of different sizes will make the picture look more lively. Now follow the teacher's steps and fill the entire paper with fish shapes. The teacher drew a total of 7 fish. Once finished, let's add eyes and mouths to our fish. After adding the eyes and mouths, it's time to color them in. For the first fish, we used a dark green marker to draw patterns on its body and then added some dots. For the second fish, we used an orange marker, drawing wavy lines and adding some dots. For the third fish, we used a magenta marker, drawing horizontal wavy lines and filling in the body with dots. For the fourth fish, we used a dark blue marker, drawing circles to fill the fish's body. For the fifth fish, we also used a blue marker, but drew zigzag lines. Next is the sixth fish, for which we used a green marker, drawing wavy lines and adding dots. Finally, for the seventh fish, we used a blue marker again, drawing wavy lines and adding dots. After finishing coloring, we need to color the fish heads. Here the teacher chose multiple colors, including silver yellow, dark blue, light blue, and magenta. After filling in the colors, we take our blue marker and draw wavy lines to fill the entire picture, representing the fish swimming in the sea. Add some bubbles, our drawing is complete. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.